Hey everyone, it's Madi Aguilar and welcome back to my channel. This is my first fall decorate with me. In the past, I've only really shared me decorating my everyday lifestyle as well as Christmas time. I also want to point out that because I have to pivot the kind of content that I'm going to be creating, I am not going to stress out over trying to cancel out every noise that's in my background, because with the twins now getting a little bit older, they're moving, they're cooing, they're laughing, and if that's something that you don't want to hear in the background, then my content is probably not going to be for you. So, I mean, it's not going to be drastically like ear-piercing screaming, but if you do hear them cooing and all that in the back, I mean, I can't help it. This is my lifestyle. I'm a mom of 5 boys, and it just comes with the territory. My decorating style is on the simple, minimalist style. I don't like a lot of clutter. I don't like a lot of colors. But I love a lot of textures and metals. I love mixing my metals and my textures. There's something about it. I don't know if it calms me, which is crazy because those things calm me, but then like too many colors, it overstimulates me. It reminds me of like those pre-K classrooms where the wall is just flooded with things and it drives me insane. So when it comes to fall decorating, I try to stay with the fall theme and not necessarily Halloween theme, because I mean, I don't want to look at Halloween for more than Halloween. However, I can look at fall decor for fall, and then I like to have my fall kind of transition into the Christmas time of the year. So I try not to do too much orange, but this year I was like, you know what, let me do a little bit more orange and like goldens and wheat color, and I think I did it to my liking. A lot of pieces I already had in the house just stored away, because for the last couple of years I have been letting people, life, and situations get to me where I just kept telling myself I did not have the time. I don't have the time. I don't have the time. When in actuality, I do have the time. I just no longer have the time for other people to take away my time. And that's just the reality of it. So one of these days, I was talking to my sister and I was asking her opinion about my coffee table centerpiece. And when I tell you, she just flipped out because she just didn't understand the whole concept of a coffee table book and what is its purpose and why I had so many things on my coffee table. And I'm just looking at her like, what do you mean you don't understand? This is a thing. This is a vibe. I went on Pinterest and I picked out the right items, and she just kept looking at me like, what is going on? Why is there so many things? And it's just funny how I have two sisters, and even though our styles of decorating is completely different, we still like a glamorous, girly type home. And that's just a memory that I always think about now when I mess with my coffee table. It's like I should FaceTime my sister so she could see this, so she could just freak out for no reason at all. So let's talk about these flowers. I truly believe that the gold ones here that look like little golden baby breath, they seem to be like real dried flowers, but when it comes to the rusted pom-pom color flowers, I'm not 100% sure if they are real, but these are from Target. I recently posted a video about me getting some of these fall decor items. Like I stated, I didn't buy too many this year. I am going to keep these. I'm not going to throw them out. I did keep the packaging, as I stated before in another video. I like to keep my packaging because it's easier for storage. Like I don't have to try to rummage through things to find the proper storage. So I really do like these. I definitely would try to get some more next year. And they were a little challenging to cut to size. I tried the scissors, I tried snipping shears that I use for my outdoor plants, and just nothing wasn't working at this moment. So that's why I decided to just snap them, and that seemed to work out a lot better. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for your support in watching my content. This was my first fall decorate with me, and I'm really glad how it turned out. Very simple, very me, and I love it. Until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Ciao.